Okay, I'm on my way. Greg and Steve are stuck with their client Dave in a haunted house. Apparently, zombies are real and they're here in Ottawa's Lansdowne Park at SAWMILL's event by Saunders Farm. Karen, code orange, code orange. We need to go get Greg and Steve. They have been abducted with David by zombies. Let's go.
Okay, relax, I'm on my way. I'm here.
There you are, let's go. Yeah, at least on the side leave.
No. Nope. Nope.
Do you want to play a game? Sure. I'm gonna hide and you have to come find me. Oh my god.
Did I I feel weird.
Couldn't help him. Oh my god, we almost didn't make it out. Zombies are real. Some people got left behind, including Dave. If you find him, let me know.